Oh hey guys, it's me Marlon, and today I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna be showing you my two gumball machines. One's red, one's yellow, and I showed you the red one in a previous video, but I'm showing you what it looks like when it's full. And it took me 2 bags of gumballs to get one fill, and then another 2 for the other one. Well, let me show you them. Okay. Well, there it is. There they are. Guys, that's what they look like when they're full. You see, guys? And here's like where you turn it, and that's where the gum falls out. And here's the globe, like that part. And here's the top where you take it off. And these are classic gumball machines, and they're 6.75 inches tall. And they can hold up to like, wait, let me see here. 41 gumballs. Well, anyway, guys, see you later. Bye.